So this is why I love being outside. I love gardening. I love being in my yard. I don't want to sound like a Mr. Rogers, but you never know what little friends are coming to hang out with you. This little guy here, I know he's like, why is this guy bothering me? But yeah, it's just a little bit of nature. Like I said, it makes hanging out in the yard a lot of fun because you never know what you're going to run into. So I run into all kind of animals, insects, snakes, lizards, but it definitely makes it all worthwhile. Definitely makes it all worthwhile.